inviting a user and assigning their role in KettleiQ. In this short training, I'll show you how to control who has access, pick the role that matches their actual job, and grant more than one when they need it. Let's take a look. You'll find this under Settings, Users and Roles from your dashboard. This is where you control who has access to your system and exactly what they can do in it. Click Invite Teammate, then enter their name and email address. Now choose their role. There are 19 roles covering finance, production, maintenance, and sales, so pick the one that matches what this person actually does, not the broadest one. A seller operator gets batch and tank work without opening up accounting. A finance role opens invoicing without giving production access. If someone needs more than one area, assign multiple roles to the same person. Note the owner auto-inherits every role. You don't need to grant purchasing to an owner to let them approve POs. Send the invite and they'll get an email to set up their login. To change someone's role later, click their name, update their roles, and save. Access updates immediately. No need for them to log out first.